Advanced, yes. Dynamic, absolutely. If you're looking for a challenge on the social floor, this combo is for you.
1, 2. On 3, 4, we prepare from our frame. On 5, also with the frame, we turn the girl. 7, 8 is also a preparation.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go into a reverse wave and then we are going to prepare back to the right because here we are going to turn our follower. From 8, we are going to go on 1, 2 in that reverse wave, and on 3, 4, we are going to change leaders, the right hand towards the shoulder blade, towards the back of the shoulder, and we are going to prepare that head roll turn. This is 4. Then on 5, we are going to turn her, wrap, go down, and push up. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue from the frame. You need to bend because this way your follower will understand when you're changing the direction. Now, go down, push the hip, from the frame go back while you change the hand and you lead her into that turn, and when she steps on her right foot, this would be the 6, you go down to be able to go up on 7, 8.
For the ladies also it's very important to keep your frame and to follow the leader's frame with your frame, not with your hands. Be careful not to go with your chest forward and head down because this will unbalance you. So your chest is in and your head is down, and you keep this position for the entire turn. The most important thing are the feet. Take your energy and you do the turn with your feet. The frame stays put together.
For the second part, you're gonna have right on right top, left on left bottom. And you're gonna have to bend to the right as a leader, left as a follower, then go down, go to the right, go back, and when she comes back around, you're going to prepare a hammerlock turn. From here, for the end, you're just gonna have like a really fast prep to exit on 1. The counts are a little bit fast. You're gonna have 2, 2, 2, 2. So 8 counts in 4 groups. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Leaders, as you saw, I'm not stepping too much. I'm focusing on the girl because we are balancing her. We need to move her. We are like a bar of which she holds.
Ladies, keep your chest in when you are doing the head roll. Counterbalance with your hips so you stay steady. And for the turn, it's very important for the leaders and for the followers, don't keep your arms stiff because it will imbalance the girl. The arms need to be flexible.
Last part is the transition. We're going to go from the start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have my hand here. I'm going to turn her on the spot, caress the hand, and go into the second move. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Just the actual transition, but let's go like this. We are both a little bit to the left. Now, I am going to pull down and turn. That's it. That's the whole transition. Leaders, followers, it's really important to use the frame because as you saw, I am pulling, turning, but also I'm going a little bit down.
For the transition followers, it's very important to have your hands connected to the body. So when the leader is pulling your hands, don't go like this. Imagine that these two arms are creating your frame. So when he's pulling, I'm going with my chest and my head.
To finish, we are going to show it to you on counts from 3 positions and then on music. The first is the follower's perspective. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2.
5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1.
No se siente tan alto, todos quieren la fama, todos quieren el cuarto. Y yo, que cambiaría la gloria y mi riqueza, solo por saber cómo es que tú besas, por sacarte un día de mi cabeza. Ey, ey, pichando y dando palos como Tony. Soy friendly, el amigo en el